Good morning, my dear friends. It's a nice time to meet you all in this special time and in this special occasion. And we all know about the word smile. It's a five-lettered word. It invites people towards you. It's a wonderful word. It's a wonderful mantra of uh, life. Yeah. When you say when you say something, people will listen to you, but when you say that with a smile, they'll look at you with more friendliness. That's what we need from the word smile. And now we'll see about smile in detail. S stands for simplicity, M stands for majesty, I stands for intelligence, L stands for love, E stands for enlightenment. My dear friends, if you're having this smile in your life, then you're having five different characters in your life. The first one is simplicity, the second one is majesty, and the third one is intelligence, and the fourth one is love, and the fifth one is enlightenment. So it's a great weapon. Yeah, of course. Because without this weapon, you cannot move around happy. Yeah, you need happiness. You don't want to sit alone and don't want to sit sad and unhappy. Rather, you have to sit with happiness and you have to sit with the laughing mood, the laughing attitude. That's what people need from others, right? And do you have such quality? Then you're a great personality. So light others' face with smile. So when you smile, other people will also smile and they come forward towards you, towards friendliness, and they want to be with more affection. When you smile, people will come with affection and they want to show that affection towards you. So, the best gift is you. So, you are the wonderful gift for the world. Yeah. And the wonderful gift that you have in your life is smile. It's a five-lettered word and it's a five-lettered gift, I say. And it gives you what? It gives you the entire happiness, the permanent happiness, the everlasting happiness, the mind blowing happiness. Yes or no? Yeah, of course, yes. And Mother Teresa's main saying is about smile. She says that peace begins with a smile. So please smile. That's what she said. You look at the face of Mother Teresa, the super personality in the world. Always she smiles and she helps others. Yes or no? Likewise, if you want to be a Mother Teresa, you have to have that the mantra of smile. Yeah, there is fear when frowning, there is love when smiling. And Maxim Legacy, he told like that. And he told that don't frown, but smile. That's what everyone needs from you. Use your smile to change the world, but don't let the world change your smile. You're a wonderful personality in the world. If you have smile on your face, it's so attractive to look at you. Yeah, if you don't have that smile, definitely you are looking so ugly and you are not looking so fantastic. When you are smiling, your face is so fantastic to look at. And look at this. Now we are going to see a small story. And we all know about Tenali Raman, a man of humor. Always he likes to be happy. Even he makes the king happy. One day this Tenali Raman was sitting and drawing a picture. At that time, king came and called Tenali Raman. And he asked, "What are you doing, Tenali Raman?" Tenali Raman says, "Sir, I'm drawing. See, my dear friend, I'm drawing a picture." And king looks at the picture and there is nothing in the picture. And he says, "What is this? Nothing in the picture, and you say you're drawing something?" And Tenali Raman says, "Yeah, I draw grass first." And king looks at the picture again and there is no symptom of grass. And king says, "What is this? Nothing is there, and you're telling that you're drawing grass, but I can't see anything there." And Tenali Raman again says, "I draw the picture of cow." where again the king checks the picture and nothing is there about the cow or grass there in the picture. He never draws grass or cow in the picture. Again, king asks, what is this? Nothing I can see here in the picture, but you say that you draw grass and cow. What is this, Tenali Raman? Are you talking normally? And Tenali Raman say, yeah, I'm talking so normally, my dear king. You see, first I draw grass. Yeah, then I draw cow. Cow comes there and eats up all the grass and walks out. That's why there is nothing in the picture, and he laughs. Immediately, the king looks at that Tenali and then he says, always you're a funny guy. You do things like this. I know that very well. Ha ha ha. He laughs and then he leaves the place. This story is a wonderful story, isn't it? And nothing is there, but still he is telling that something he draws there in the picture. So Tenali Raman makes the king happy just by doing this small thing, right? And the other words for smile is sneer, snicker, snigger, laugh. So you can use all these words instead of smile, and it gives a kind of energy. The smiling face gives you energy. It boosts your mind, it recharges your mind. That's what we say. And when you smile, you're looking like a hero. When you don't smile, you're looking like zero. And here they say the same. See here, with smile you are a hero, without smile you are zero. And that's what I say. If you want to be a hero, if you want to be a king, if you want to be a legend, then smile. You can attract many people towards you. But without the smile, you can't even do anything in this world. So, my dear friends, smile and be happy. Don't make your life miserable. Make your life happy. Have a smile always in your face and attract people towards you. Thank you, my dear friends, and bye.